Let's try making something different. Today I'm making some spinach dumpling. Watch this video while I take you through the steps and how I made the spinach dumpling. I hope you'll stay to the end. Let me know in the comments if you would try making this. I did, and I have to tell you, it was delicious. I hope you'll try this recipe. I serve these dumplings with fish, kingfish, but this would go good with beef, chicken, steamed veg, anything of your choice.